Hey guys, Surya here, and in this lockdown period, I'm connected with my buddy Rakesh here on the video call, and so further we will be just explaining a few things about our past rides and how it all began. तो वैसे तो हम उड़ीसा से पढ़ाई लिखाई वगैरह शुरू किए थे एंड काफ़ी राइड्स के बारे में इंटरेस्ट था स्कूल दिनों से ही, लेकिन तब उस टाइम पे कुछ किया करते थे, तभी हम साइकिल पे निकल पड़ते थे। हमारे वहाँ एक बीच है, कभी कभार उस साइड की ओर चले जाते थे और फिर धीरे धीरे हम दोनों ने हैदराबाद शिफ्ट किया और फिर शुरू हुआ हमारा जॉब। Or as we were passionate about our bike and bike rides, we started this particular channel just to share our memories and to create more memories. और राकेश कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So that was Surya on the other side. So as you all are aware that it is a nationwide lockdown in India. So we both thought of coming up with a video which can tell you few things about us and our passion about bikes and the videos that we plan to make. So we have been riders for quite a while, and we have been riding. We started off from small bikes, and we have been riding for quite a long time. So in the past we didn't have this GoPro and any fancy camera stuff, so we didn't have much to capture. So but we have few pics and videos which I would like to definitely share with you. So let me walk you down the memory lane and show you few glimpses of our past rides. So the first one is the Anantagiri ride. So this was a ride that we, it was done with the Charisma Bikers Club. So I was owning a Charisma during that point of time. So that was a group ride of around 15 to 20 bikers. So we headed to a place called Anantagiri, which is near the Vikarabad. So here are the few pics of the group ride. The next set of photos are from our rides to Warangal and Bidar. So Bidar is a very nearby place, and Warangal is around 200 kilometers from Hyderabad. And ये वो फेज था जब हम लोग थोड़ा longer distances cover करना शुरू किए थे. And we had a 2-day ride. उसमें हमने वो Warangal का 1000 Pillar Temple visit किया था, and there is a famous goddess temple over there. And that was, we really enjoyed that ride. And the next ride was towards Narsapur and Antarvedi, and these places belong to the West Godavari part, and it is basically a place where the river Godavari actually merges into the sea. So बहुत अच्छा जगह है, and you should definitely visit that place. उसकी scenic spots थे, the greenery around that, and the water over there, simply it was mesmerizing. So here are the few pics for that. And the most recent ride was to Bangalore Chikmagalur. You can check out my previous video. And this might be coming a bit late, but I actually wanted to share the video where I took the delivery of my BMW bike, which happened in December 2019. And the most recent place we visited was the Driven Cafe, where we went to grab a quick cup of coffee.
Yes, so I still remember the memories when when we had been to Thousand Pillar Temple, and then we went to Bidar, and that was all on Rakesh bike on Charisma, and it was bit hectic because we have to go together on a bike as a pillion rider, and we have to carry our luggage. So we used to plan for a single day trip so that we can just spend overnight and then return back, or else just visit the place and return back on the same day. And that's when Rakesh told me that why don't you go for a bike, and let's go for a longer rides. And that's when my dream bike for a CBR 250 started becoming real, and that's how last year I took the bike, and that's all how it began.
Hey guys, good morning. So here we are, it's an early morning. We are heading towards Kuntala waterfalls. We had our breakfast, and as you can see, it's a good hilly view, lush green forest around us, and I just stopped by to show you this scenery around us. And while you enjoy the scenery, you can enjoy a beautiful song by Surya. So here you go.
ये जिंदगी आदतों का ये नशा है, ये आदतें यारों की, ये जिंदगी होश भी ना ये दुआ दे.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason